What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back here in the new shop and I'm working on this 2022 Terrain. So I ended up, in the last video there, went and picked it up from the body shop, and they were working on, they straightened out this front frame rail on it. So they got this all straightened up here and back in spec. So they had to tweak both of them a little bit. This one just had a little bit of a kink in it, but he popped the kink out, straightened it up, and actually even painted it for me. So that's all ready to go. So now what I need to do next is I need to change this just part. I don't need to change this whole entire suspension module. I don't know what you call it exactly, but I just need to change a little bit where it's bent here. So he pulled this out a little bit for me. So I think I can get away without changing the inside part, and just change out this outside part, and I'll have to pop this cover off here too to be able to get to it. I think I need to take this off first. And then of course this thing has a little bit of a dent in it, but it's pretty thin, and also this part is back ordered. So I'm gonna have to try to straighten it out, which it's only actually kinked. Especially if I take it off, I should be able to just straighten it out. It's only kinked in right here, and right here is where this pushed up a little bit. So if I take it off there, I should be able to straighten that out pretty easy, hopefully, and shouldn't be too bad. And then I can just cancel the order on the back order one if I could fix it, and then shouldn't have to worry about that. But I think I can just take it off on the inside here too, drill these spot welds out, and hopefully just pop this off without taking the inside skirt off there. So and then I'll have to obviously straighten that. I might straighten this out, or I do have a new piece for it, but I can just straighten that out. That way I don't have to even change the fender bracket there. I can just put that cover back on and weld it all back together. So we'll try drilling these spot welds out, and then I'm gonna try, once I know where I want to take apart on that, I'll take it apart on here. But at least I can see on this thing where there's no silicone. That's where I can drill the spot welds out on, and should come off pretty easy. But yeah, I was thinking just change this part right here. You can actually buy this part separate, but this was 350 bucks, and I'm pretty sure this part to buy from GM was like $600. So it didn't make any sense. And this one was available, and the other part was back ordered. So it just made sense to buy the whole entire piece, and then I have everything just in case I need it. But so anyways, let's start drilling some spot welds out and see exactly what I can get off here. Alrighty, so I finally got that side piece off here, and everything else is looking pretty good. So I just need to straighten this little piece out a little bit. This piece is actually good, so I didn't need to remove it, which makes it a lot easier. And then, but I did have to take this back section off right here to be able to get this part and everything off. So this does need to be straightened out right here and right here, but I'll just take this off the rest of the way later, and then it can all go back together pretty easy. So I'll have to just pull the piece I need off of here, and then pretty much it just looks like this piece, right? So, and then just change that out. So anyways, I'm gonna put the motor in first before I go do anything else, so then I can take it to the other shed, because I have to weld it in the other shed, because can't really weld in here yet. So I'll stick the motor back in, and then it should be mobile, and can start welding this up today, and spray a little paint on it, and be one step closer to getting it done. Alrighty, so I got it set up in the garage here, and I'm gonna do all the welding in the garage, just so I don't burn the shop down right now. And just because got this new welder and a tank, so I'm gonna try to weld this all together. I did straighten out this bar here, and it's all just sitting on there right now. But I have this all kind of in place, so it's looking pretty good. And I'm just missing. I need to get a different style of clamps. So tomorrow I'll go pick up some clamps, and I should just need to clamp it and make sure it's all in the right spot and weld it all together. So besides that, once I get that welded on, I just need to paint the fender and the front bumper cover, and stick the headlights in, and that's it for the outside. And then the inside, I still need to change the dash airbag here. So I'm not sure, I'll have to check with them, but I'm hopefully that dash airbag will come in at the dealership. If not, end up buying one of the auto wreckers. But I do have a new steering wheel airbag already and all that. So and I do need to change the seat belts, which for some reason these ones aren't. They still seem to work, but it looks like the pre-tensioner, or whatever you want to call this one, I think it's pre-tensioner, that one pulled, so they're blue. So I'm not sure exactly what to do on that. I think I'll just probably send them all into a Savior store, and they can go through and make sure they're all good. And that'll be pretty much it for that. So I did buy this new tool though, this Milwaukee tool for drilling spot welds and everything, and this thing is pretty awesome. So if you're drilling lots of spot welds, I definitely recommend to get this one. Works pretty awesome. So, and makes everything way faster. Instead of I have another one that you can drag a hose around, but it's such a pain in the ass. You gotta have a hose everywhere you go, especially a lot of these tight spots, and then going over the car and stuff, you're scratching things up. So it works pretty darn good. But anyways, it is freezing out. I'm gonna go have a fire, try to stay warm, and it's minus 40 something. So it's minus 47 right now with the wind chill. So it is brutal out there. So it's really hard to do anything outside. I pretty much brought this car in here, and it's still, I have the heat up and it's still cold in this garage. So, but anyways, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Tomorrow I'll probably work a little bit on the trucks, and we're gonna start actually doing some work on the inside of the shop, and hopefully get that drywall up, get it framed. It's gonna be a lot of work, so probably have some videos on doing that, and yeah, working on some more cars. So anyways, thanks for watching, and tune in for the next one. Peace.